Hey, you guys shooting right now?
Oh, hey! Literally in the middle of shooting.
I'm sorry, okay. I'm just wondering.
Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. The Frontline Hero 10K giveaway has officially ended. And when we first started this, we had no idea what to expect. But over 15 days in May, when we first started this, we received a total of 436 submissions from you across the United States and Canada. So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. To give you guys some quick facts on the submissions, our top 5 locations in the US are California, Texas, Florida, New York, and New Jersey. And to cap it all off, we even received 1 entry from Hawaii. Aloha! And for Canada, our top 5 locations are BC, Ontario, Alberta, Quebec, and Manitoba. So we want to thank everyone for taking the time to sharing your stories with us during this time. We want to assure you that we did take the time to read every single one of those stories word by word, and it very much touched our hearts. We do want to thank you for everything that you do for us. You've made the selection process extremely difficult in a good way. But overall, we were able to select 50 winners, from doctors, nurses, paramedics, to delivery drivers, store workers, and even transit operators. Right now, we want to take the time to share 3 stories with you. These are the ones that really touched our hearts. Our first story comes from Hal Van Gogh, who works as a healthcare aide at Seven Oaks General Hospital. He's been there since 2013, and during this pandemic, he's been assisting nurses and doing patient care in the dialysis department and in family medicine. Our next story comes from Kingston, Ontario, by someone named Larry Sawchuck, who nominated his daughter named Lisa. Despite what happened to Larry in 1999, his daughter is his hero because she became a transit operator about 3 years ago in Kingston Transit, where she now, during this COVID-19 crisis, supports the nurses and staffs who work at Kingston Hospital and provides them a ride home after their shift. She is definitely a hero in these trying times. Our last story comes from Paulo Tenorio, who nominated his wife, Anna. Anna is a nurse based in Texas, but during the COVID crisis, she went to New York, leaving behind her 2-year-old baby. She worked for 21 days straight, 13-hour shift in a stressful, emotional, and physical position to help others. Paulo ended up submitting a news story of her getting featured as well, and we'd love to share that with you.
A war zone. That's basically how a local nurse is describing the scene that she has seen in New York City. She spent the last few weeks working on the front lines of the nation's hardest hit city. Brooke Katz tonight has her story.
It feels amazing. I feel so appreciated.
It's been 3 weeks of hard work, but now Anna Tenorio is just happy to be home.
I was very anxious and nervous. I had to get mentally prepared to leave, especially my baby girl. She's 2 years old, so.
But after a lot of prayer, Anna felt a calling and a purpose. The nurse who works for Baylor All Saints deployed with 650 others to New York City.
I got to witness, some of my patients, and their families as they were struggling through this. And so I think the most important thing is to be able to take care of ourselves and, staying at home and keeping our distance.
Her loved ones call her a hero.
Anna is one example of so many who are out on the front line right now, risking their health for the sake of our families and our own health.
But for Anna, the risk was worth it. Now she feels for the city she left behind.
Leaving from there, it was hard because there's still a huge need of nurses.
A journey of faith over fear.
To all the 50 recipients who were selected for this giveaway, congratulations once again. We hope this Thinkware FA200 Dash Cam protects you like the way you've protected us. And of course, thank you again to Annalie from Vancouver. Your story inspired us to do more for the frontline heroes across North America. And how can we forget about Thinkware North America, who provided us with the resources that we needed to make this giveaway a reality. This giveaway wouldn't have been possible without you. And if you're a healthcare professional and have missed our giveaway, don't worry, we got you. Our Healthcare Hero 10% discount program is still ongoing. So right now you can save 10% off your next dash cam if you contact us today for your code. And if you're not a healthcare professional, don't worry, we got a special deal for you now too. When you check out with BBMC Tube, you can take 5% off your next dash cam. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, do subscribe below and stay tuned for more content from us.